be making this Citrus Bliss centerpiece today. The great thing about this centerpiece is that it's made up of fruit, so the guests could be welcome to take home the fruit when the event is over, and it uses very minimal floral materials, so it's a cost savings. And you could even use any dinner plates that you might already have on hand. For this centerpiece, we have the fruit, of course. We have oranges, lemons, and limes. And for floral materials, we have some privet leaves, which have some blooms on them this time of year. It is springtime. And we have some Mexican marigold, yellow daisies, and white chrysanthemums. We also have some floral foam to create some spacing between the water tubes, and then some tape to tape the water tubes together. So I'm going to start off with the base, which is going to be the largest fruit, the oranges. And when you place the fruit down, you want to place the prettiest sides outward, of course. This one is not as nice, so let me just grab the next one. Let's just start with 4. I know that I want to have these privet leaves laying on the plate in opposite directions, so I'm going to go ahead and insert that in there. And all the flowers and floral materials are in water tubes to keep them hydrated. Okay, that looks so pretty. And I'm going ahead and place the lemons to help the oranges from rolling, or to keep the oranges from rolling around. Okay, and then with this one, I'm going to have it inserted here, sticking a little bit upward. The flowers are going to be coming out of the center of this right here. Okay, so I'm going to be putting these two together, and then I'm going to have the 2 white ones on this side, but I do need to create spacing because I can't just have them this tight. It just looks too tight. I want to give them a little bit of room to breathe, so I will be cutting a little bit of foam to give it a little bit of space. Okay, but these two can be taped together. I'll just set them on the table so that they're level with each other. I'm going to place this here on the edge as if it were to go next to the flowers. And then I can see that I need to chop off this much. And I will also cut it this way. And then I'm going to stick the white flowers next to it and see if I need additional spacers. I think that should work out fine. So I'm going to go ahead and tape it all together as one unit. Okay, and there you can see it's all one unit. And then I'm going to try to insert it here in the center. I'm going to remove this for now. I want to turn it this way. And then you can fill in the other spaces with the limes. And I think I want to put the orange. Let's see, it's a bit of orange. Put another orange on this side and then use the lemon down here. Okay, and that's the finished piece.